Hi guys, welcome in another English video on this channel. But wait just a few seconds, a few words to my Polish viewers. So English will be continue from this moment. Tak, kolejny vlog po angielsku, wybaczcie, ale znów możecie włączyć sobie napisy. To jest tak specyficzny vlog o Unrealu, że myślę, że trzeba go zrobić po angielsku, żeby dotarł do większego grona. Więc dzięki za zrozumienie i obiecuję wam, że to będzie już w zasadzie ostatnie takie wideo po angielsku i wszystkie te wideo po angielsku, vlogi będę przenosił na mój drugi kanał, na kanał mojego studia, Unseen Studio, więc tym, którym to nie przeszkadza, że są po angielsku, zapraszam właśnie tam. A ci, którzy nie są anglojęzyczni, włączcie sobie napisy. Aha, i jeszcze jedno, na ten Cinematic można głosować do końca lipca tak naprawdę w konkursie Unreal Engine. Link jest też w opisie. Bardzo was proszę o głosy przy tytule postu na forum Unreala Furious Elegancy Contest, przy tytule postu z moim wideo Furious Elegancy jest przycisk po lewej, taki vote, po lewej, czyli waszej tutaj lewej stronie, tak tu dokładnie, przyciskacie z konta Epica. Bardzo proszę o głos. Wracamy do języka angielskiego. Okay, turn back to English now. Thanks for patient, and now I can show you some tips and tricks in my Unreal Engine Cinematic. Okay, so we are in Unreal Engine now, and I want to show you some tips and tricks for my cinematic. The full, as you can see, it starts with the walking. So yeah, so basically this is a cinematic about a woman who is attacked with gangsters. The first tip is how to make this camera moving with her in easily way, because you can do it manually, like animating camera, or do it like I did it. So maybe let's try to make it again to show you how I did it. This is my scene. Where is she? She's here. Okay, she's here. Okay, so first let's make another sequence. So add level sequence, tutorial move. In cinematics, yeah, let's make it in cinematics. Sequences. Okay. Okay. So we have another sequence. So let's have her here in the sequence. Okay, so she's in the sequence now. Yeah, let's make her spawnable. So she will appear only in this sequence. Okay, so let's move her in the back, because this will be the point where she. Okay, so it is the point where she's starting, and then she will move here. So yeah, so first I will animate her, okay, and then I will provide a camera. So yeah, so first let's make her animation here, walking. I have a lot of animation in this project, so I want to choose female walking, so I think it will be good. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, she walks quite nice. Okay, so yeah, so she will be walking. As you can see, she's walking in place. So let's try to make animation from one place to another. So yeah, so it's light place, and it will be the next place where she will move. Okay, another light and place. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Yeah, it's maybe quite of slowing, so I wanted linear. Yeah, so I changed the animation from linear from cubic, which is like moving, not so linear of the animation, and now it's much better. Yeah, so let's try a camera here. Let's see how is she moving in detail. Okay, so she I don't like this. Let's make maybe a longer animation for it. But the purpose is not to make a proper animation. I want just to show you. Okay, still something is wrong with this animation. Yeah, let's try walk cycle. Walk cycle in place, right? Okay, so it's perfect now. Okay, so something was wrong with the animation, so I changed it for cycle animation because the previous one was like for another different animation, and it's really beautiful. She really walks beautiful, like you can see. I change the animation here, and I make a transformation from one point to another. So yeah, so she's working, right? And now let's try to see the camera, how to. So basically this is the kind of point I want to film. So I click on this new camera shot, right? And it will be a little kind of from this perspective, but it's let's move it a little, right? Manual focus here also. Okay, the heel is focused. So yeah, so now when she moves, right, we stay with the camera, and I want to move. Okay, so I can do it in the two-way. I can just animate the camera, right, and put the transformation key point here, and then when she moves, I can move the camera, right? But as you can see, I'm moving it. Okay, so if you want to do this properly, you have to change the view, not from the camera view, but you have to animate it as a camera, as an asset, because when I move with keyboard, it's not moving everywhere. I can't move it properly like here. So as you can see, I can move the camera as she's moving, and camera is moving, right? After her, I can maybe do it. So you can different style, use it. Camera moves with different speed of her, or in the same speed, right? Like here, right? But as you can see, it's really difficult to match the point of keyframe for that. Although the move is quite interesting, but it's not synchronized with her. So it's a longer way, right? So in the easiest way to move this camera is to attack, and this is the tip I make with this animation. Attack the camera to her root. Okay, where is this camera? Okay, so here we have this camera. It's attacked to her root, but we have to correct it, right? So yeah, so we correct the place of the camera right now, and the rotation of it, because root is somewhere here of the character, and camera just attack to this root. And now what we have attack it here, I can move it to attack from the very beginning. And now, as you can see, the camera is moving while she's moving. So in the same position, in the same speed, and with the same synchronization, right? See? Okay. So this is how it looks. You can adjust what you can see from this camera, like is it here or is it maybe a little bit higher. And now camera is walking with her, right? Okay. So yeah, so basically this is the tip. You can attack your camera with every object in Unreal Engine, and it will move with this object. As you can see, it's great that we have camera as an asset also here, so you can see that it moves with the character. So it's my tip that camera. We don't see camera when we play, but here we can see the camera is moving with the character. Okay, thank you for your attention. This was the end of the first part of tips and tricks about Unreal Engine Cinematic, and the second part will be on the other channel, because this channel is mostly in Polish language, but on the other channel of my studio channel, Unseen Studio, you have the link in the description, and here you can subscribe this channel and the other channel. In 2 days there will appear a second part of this vlog, and about tips and tricks from this cinematic I discovered myself and I want to share with you guys. So yeah, so be patient and click the thumb button and subscribe to this and this other channel, and wait for the second part on this other channel. So I invite you there, and yeah, and watch the full cinematic from the website of Unreal Contest challenge, and please vote on me for this cinematic till the end of July. So you have just a few days for that. Till the end of the month you can vote. There is a big vote button near the title on this forum. Link is in the description. I would really appreciate that. So click the thumb button and vote there, please. Thank you, and see you later on this other channel, Unseen Studio. We'll see soon with the second part of this video. I will link when it appears also here, so you can just in the end of this video click and move there. Okay, see you. Bye.